Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is your Schoology tour for math applications. As you can see, I'm on my home page for Schoology. You can see all of my courses. I'm going to click on Math Applications with Perry the Platypus, and this should come up. Once you have this up, you'll see that we have several different buttons that you can choose from. The first button is the weekly lesson plan. This is normally posted on Sunday before the week. That's why we don't have one here, because our first week will start on the 16th. And you'll be able to see what we're doing Monday through Friday in math applications in this lesson planner. So if ever you're absent, or if for some reason you're remote, you're going to want to come here first. The second button I have here is the Saxon Course 2 math book. This is a digital copy of the textbook that's actually that you're issued. And if you click on this, you'll see here's the textbook. And there are a lot of different ways that you can navigate this textbook. If you want to make it larger, you can click the full screen. If you want to zoom in, you can click the plus or zoom back out. If you want to go to a specific page, you can type in a page and it'll take you to whatever lesson it is that you want to go to. Or if that's too far, you can go back and forth using these arrows, previous page or the next page. So if you accidentally leave your book at school, no worries. You can always get to this digital textbook if you can get to Schoology at home, which you should be able to. So that's how you get your textbook. Also, here's the answer key for written practice. So written practice is not for a homework grade. You are supposed to check it. So let's say I did lesson, well, it actually goes by page. So this would be lesson 31, this would be lesson 32. So let's just click on that. Let's say I want to check and see how I did on number 6. So the answer to number 6 is 150,000 and it explains why. Sometimes these are incorrect, sometimes they're correct, but it does give us a place to start. So that's the answer key for written practice. And then we have IXL. This is where you'll be doing your diagnostic when you come in the morning. And this will give me an idea of where you are in your math learning. I'll be assigning different lessons through this. This will not be homework, mostly practice. This investigation button, these buttons are exactly what they say. So our first investigation is after lesson 10, so you won't be actually using this button until after lesson 10, but we have our first investigation available with fractions and percents, and that's how you'll get to that one. If we scroll down, there's a couple more buttons. There's the video notes, which are here, and they're all in different lesson files, and then you have the test reviews, which are here. So those are some quick buttons for you to use to navigate the Schoology page. You can also scroll all the way down and you'll see student resources, and there's several resources in this file folder. The book is here, the answer to the written practice, metric conversion. You can read some of this. Some of this is not published. It's something that will be published later. But either way, that's student resources. If we scroll down again, weekly lesson planners are there, test reviews, tests, investigations, and then your lessons with the video notes. So that is a quick tour of your math applications Schoology page.